Thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a very exciting Fendi Baguette unboxing. Yes, it is here, and I am so excited to unbox this with you guys. I can't wait. I hope you enjoyed some of that footage. That was me picking up my Fendi Baguette on a Friday night after work, so here we are. Now this video is a follow-up where I asked you guys, help me pick. Do I pick the Mirror Baguette or the rose gold in the sequins? I did want to share some of the results that I got from Instagram and YouTube that led up to this handbag. When I asked you guys over on Instagram, the majority of you actually liked the rose gold sequin. 82% said rose gold, and then 18% said the Mirror Baguette. However, on YouTube, a majority of you preferred the mirror embroidered baguette. So I had 64% mirror baguette and then 36% with the rose gold sequin. Okay, here we go. Here's the box. It's beautiful. Here we go. Okay, you guys. Here we go. You ready for this? The mirror baguette. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh. This is a stunning bag. It's just the craftsmanship. Caleb, we've got our nod to neutrals. Look at that. And I love a good pop of snakeskin here. Let's see the inside. Huh. Oh my gosh. Look at the suede. That's beautiful. It's, of course, beige. I love a good beige moment. And oh wow, look at that. The green. That green is beautiful, especially when you have that water snake. There are over 380 mirrors. My essay did share some background about this baguette. This is from the spring and summer collection from 1999. So this reedition is inspired by the mirror embroidery baguette from the spring summer 1999 collection. The story of this baguette, one of the most iconic of all times, comes from the mirrors from Sylvia Venturini's Fendi's mother's house. It originated baguette fever, and I love how it says that it's like a true work of art, and it's in the museum in Paris, part of the permanent collection. I want to thank you guys again for all of your Instagram and YouTube comments. It really helped me decide between the two. I think there was a couple factors why I ended up picking this baguette versus the rose gold sequin. I mean, first of all, this is part of the 25th anniversary collection. So I felt like if you're going to do a bag from this collection, whether it's 25th anniversary or cruise, I felt like this is iconic and I would love to get something part of that collection. The thing was, not all of them spoke to me except for this one. So, and I had a feeling all of those baguettes would be hard to get. So if I had the chance, I would really try to get this one. All of these colors I wear in my wardrobe. Greens, the blues, the purples, of course that yellow, I was just more excited about this bag. And when I came away from seeing it with my essay, I couldn't get this bag out of my mind. And so when I made that video, I think I was still processing that handbag. So it made so much sense to me when few of you actually picked that up from the last video, just how excited I was about that handbag. It's a great catch. Another piece of it is I love the fact that this is such a unique handbag. You're not going to see a lot of this handbag out there, and it reminds me a lot of my Chanel 19 in the tweed. It's tweed, it's got that whole Oreo beautiful texture, and the white combined with the Chanel 19 style, it's a beautiful handbag and it's unique. And that is something that made me think about this handbag. I really love unique handbags. That Chanel 19, it's one of my most used handbags in my collection, even though it's in that tweed. But I really thought about this one, and a few of you said that I would get more use of it. I think so too. I wanted one that was really more my vibe and my style, and I thought it had all those elements all up in one baguette, with the neutrals, the muted colors, the pop of the water snake here, the textures. It's such a unique but beautiful combination. So again, 25th anniversary, I wanted to go big in a special one. I believe this one is the priciest out of all the 25th anniversary baguettes. I will say that when I looked at the other ones, they didn't really catch my eye until this one. So look here, I brought my mint green baguette. I love how it picks up those greens in the baguette. So pretty.
'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it.
A quick shout out to my essay for surprising me with these beautiful flowers and making this baguette possible. Okay guys, let me know what you think about this handbag. Are some of you surprised? I'm so excited. I'd love to get your thoughts below. I can't believe this is a stunning, stunning bag. I can't believe it. All right guys, I will see you in my next video. Take care.